So we got the cayenne pepper, turmeric, ginger, and pineapple, and it is ready to go. So we got the ginger and turmeric peeled in the process of cutting the pineapple. It's gonna be very sweet. So we have the pineapple and we have the turmeric and ginger. I went ahead and added cayenne pepper and some fresh black pepper as well. It's gonna give it that kick that we need. And if you don't know why cayenne pepper is important for you, I'm gonna post another video about the benefits of that as well.